Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. Today I will be collaborating with the brand Luxaza. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I would like to try some of their new eyeshadow sticks, and after seeing the sticks I was like, absolutely, the product looks beautiful. I'm all about the cream eyeshadow, especially with deep set maturing eyes. So I'm going to be trying out Firefly Lights for you guys today and show you the different colors from the palette. They have some beautiful greens, shimmery tones, some creams and neutral colors, which you can create beautiful looks with. They also have a few other palettes, a few other shade ranges, pinks and all of that. So I will definitely link them in the description box for you guys so that you can try them out for yourselves. An affordable brand, ships to you very quickly. So I am so excited to show you guys the product and create an eye look for you guys. So if you guys would like to see the look that I'm going to create and the eyeshadow sticks from Luxaza, please keep watching. Right, so this is how the eyeshadow sticks come shipped to you. Very, very pretty packaging, and they are nicely put in like this. I love the top of the eyeshadow, the cover for the cream eyeshadow. It's so pretty. It looks like a diamond. And then on the other end, you have a little brush, a nice soft brush to blend out the cream eyeshadow. So I'm gonna swatch these on my arms for you guys, and then we'll get into an eye look. All right, just swatching them on my arm, they feel so nice and creamy on the skin, and they've dried down really nicely like a matte shadow. Obviously not the foiled shimmery colors, but the other colors dry down really, really beautifully and look really pigmented. You could even probably use the brown color as a contour, like for a nose contour or around your lips, because it's so like it's more of a fine line, but super beautiful. So excited to try these out on the eyes. I'm going to start with this neutral tone first, just to see how they look on the eyes, and I'm going to just put that above the crease onto the brow bone, and then blend it out with the shadow, the brush, sorry, the shadow. Blend it out with the brush, and that's just a nice neutral tone that you could even put on the lid. Right now I'm just going to put it up on my brow bone. Love the little brushes on the end. They do the job really nicely to blend out the cream shadow. Now I'm going to add some more depth with the darker brown tone, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner and leave a little space between the crease. I'm going right on that brow bone and sticking to the outer corner. What's nice about cream shadows is that they just give you a little bit more precision, and you can kind of just layer them where you want them. You don't get fallout. Go in again. Once I blended that out, I'm going to add a little bit more pigment to that. You can just place it exactly where you want it. The bottom of the brushes, they also have the shade colors, so I used Bone Brown, which is 177, and then Dark Olive, which was the darker color. And these eyeshadows just blend out so nicely. They don't give you any patchiness like a shadow would. So I really, really like that, especially for more maturing eyes. So we'll do a green look today. So I'm going to go in now with the matte green tone, and I'm going to place that over the majority of the lid. Like I said, with the cream eyeshadows and the point that you get, you can just be more precise about where you want to place the shadow. So I'm doing half of the eye. I want to fill in the other half with the brighter tones to really get some nice brightness on the inner corner. And just these brushes kind of diffuse the color a bit. So if you want more of an intense color, I would suggest kind of just maybe patting the eyeshadow. Like they've given me a nice diffused look on the lid, but you can always go in again and add a little bit more pigment to where you want it, and then you don't really have to blend it out too much because it's creamy. It's already looking like it's blended out, and these tones are really, really pretty with my blue eyes. Love that. So I'm going to go in with the shimmery color now, the shimmery green. And this shade is Golden Olive Shimmer, which would make sense. And the shade that I just put on was Avocado. So very, very cool names. And I'm going to put this on the inner part of my lid. And I'm just going to pat this one with my finger because I feel like I don't want to diffuse that brightness, and these shades are just so pretty. So, so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with the lightest shade, which is Alfalfa. This nice, like, it's got a slight undertone of green to it, but it's very, very bright. Like it's almost white. I'm just going to put that in the inner part of my eye that has the most shadow, and just kind of blend that into other parts of the eye. You can even we'll just slightly highlight the outer part of the brow bone, just right near our brow area, just for a pop. For a pop of brightness. Now I'm going to take Avocado Shimmer. This is like a smoked out green tone, like grayish green, and I'm going to go underneath the lid with this. Gonna go right along the lash line. And in the inner part. All right, so I just tight lined and put on some mascara. This is the final eyeshadow look using the Luxaza Eyeshadow Sticks. What a beautiful product, beautiful quality, affordable. I love the colors and the pigment that they have with them. Super cute names as well. So I would definitely recommend these eyeshadow sticks to you guys. I will link them in my description box if you would like to shop them for yourselves. So thank you guys so much. Thank you to Luxaza for sending me the eyeshadow sticks to try out. And I will see you guys again in my next video.